Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Tech Explorer's channel, where we dive into the latest and greatest in technology. Today we have something truly special, new tech gadgets to share with you. Introducing the Acer Spatial Labs iStereo camera, a groundbreaking innovation for photographers, capturing moments and experiences in stunning stereoscopic 3D. Designed to elevate your photography, this camera features 8 megapixels per eye resolution, a built-in selfie mirror, and a weatherproof exterior, ensuring you never miss a moment, rain or shine. With auto and touch focus capabilities and electronic image stabilization, EIS capturing smooth and steady footage has never been easier. Perfect for both beginners and experienced photographers. Stream your adventures in real time, share immersive stories, and make high-resolution 3D video calls on Teams, Zoom, and Google Meet. The possibilities are endless with the Spatial Labs Eyes stereo camera. Whether you're reviewing content on Acer Spatial Labs laptops, VR, AR headsets, or 3D projectors, the Spatial Labs Eyes brings your 3D content to life, presenting it with the richness and impact it deserves. Recognized for its innovative design and usability, the Acer Spatial Labs Eyes stereo camera has been awarded the 2024 Red Dot and IF Design Awards. Relive your memories with the downloadable gallery feature, allowing you to look back at your 3D portfolio and re-experience your immersive 3D journey anytime. Capture, share, and experience the world in a new dimension with the Acer Spatial Labs Eyes stereo camera. Safety always comes first. But does that mean compromising on design and comfort? Not anymore. Introducing Overraid Life. Now you can hit the urban streets with confidence. With bright lights that make you visible like never before. Overraid Life comes with bright and uniform Kobe LED lights on the front and back, ensuring you're seen day or night. No more sticking out your arm to signal a turn. With wireless turn signals and brake warnings, communicating your intentions is now effortless. And when it comes to braking, timing is everything. Overraid Life's OxyBrake sensor activates your brake lights instantly, keeping you safe in any situation. Stay visible with clearly noticeable hazard lights at the press of a button, because ringing a bell just doesn't cut it. Overraid Life's headlight flash ensures you're always seen, even in low light or bad weather. Created with meticulous attention to detail, Overraid Life is as eye-catching as it is functional. Available in 6 elegant colors to perfectly complement your urban style. Enhance your safety and peace of mind with Overraid Life. It's comfortable, it's a stunner, it's completely you. Discover more and get yours today at Overraid Life. Discover new horizons of mobility with Arma, the pinnacle of compact electric scooters. Experience unmatched portability with a design that's as compact as a laptop, perfect for the dynamic urban mover. Say goodbye to the hassles of traditional commuting. With Arma, switch from carrying to cruising in mere moments. Welcome to the future of travel, where innovation and convenience meet. Arma isn't just an e-scooter, it's your companion for conquering urban landscapes. Built with comfort and durability in mind, Arma redefines city travel. Its groundbreaking design combines practicality with elegance, making every ride a statement. Arma is revolutionizing portability, officially recognized by TFCO as the world's smallest e-scooter. Our innovative design packs robust mobility into the size of an A4 sheet, setting a new standard in e-scooter technology. We've enhanced the handle height to extend significantly taller, ensuring that even riders over 180 centimeters enjoy a natural and comfortable experience. Unfolding takes just one swift motion, and folding is completed in 2 simple steps. The whole process is seamless and takes less than a second, providing unparalleled convenience for those on the move. Arma fully charges in just 2 hours. Unlock new horizons of mobility with Arma. Embrace the future of travel. Get yours today and redefine your urban commute. Discover more and join the movement at Arma. Introducing OXS Thunder, the revolutionary 7 1.2 Dolby Atmos registered trademark gaming audio system, featuring the world's first satellite neck speaker. With satellite neck speaker, 10 audio channels create an immersive soundscape, placing you right in the heart of the action. Pinpoint enemies and allies as if they were in the room with you. Dive into a 3D audio space with Dolby Atmos registered trademark surround sound. Let the soft yet powerful satellite neck speaker cradle your neck as you are enveloped by the battlefield from all directions. The two up-firing speakers project sound waves upward, bouncing off the ceiling to create impactful overhead audio, making you feel every hover and hit. Experience gaming like never before with 3 uniquely tuned modes. FPS mode enhances audio cues like footsteps, giving you an edge over opponents. Reiki mode brings every trail brake and roaring engine to life for a realistic sound experience. Packed with innovation, OXS Thunder delivers powerful sound in a size that's 40% smaller than others. It takes up minimal space under your monitor, yet fills the entire room with rich 360-degree audio. The reactive lighting system brings your game to life, responding to every shot fired and trail broken with atmospheric lighting. Easily connects to your phone or tablet via Bluetooth 5.0 without compromising on high-quality sound. To maximize your desk space, we designed the Unispace acoustic architecture with coaxial drivers. The tweeter overlaps with a 2.5, a full-range driver, creating a powerful up-firing channel while saving space within the soundbar and on your desk. Gear up for the next level of gaming. The future of immersive audio is here with OXS Thunder. Discover more and elevate your gaming at OXS Thunder. What an amazing piece of technology that's going to revolutionize pet care for cat owners everywhere. Meet the PuroBot Ultra, the world's first AI-powered automatic cat litter box with a camera. Let's dive into all the fantastic features that make this a must-have for your feline friends. The PuroBot Ultra is equipped with an AI-powered 180-degree rotation camera that provides comprehensive tracking of your pet's behaviors. From home angle to toilet view, it monitors every toilet visit and stay-at-home wellness, ensuring your pet is always in good hands. This smart camera captures and categorizes all your pet's motions, from daily activities and toilet routines to stool or urine clump health. For multi-pet families, the upgraded multi-cat recognition system accurately identifies each cat by analyzing unique facial features, body sizes, and coat patterns. This ensures precise recognition even in households with cats of similar weights. The advanced algorithm analyzes stool color and consistency after each cleaning cycle, alerting you to signs of constipation, diarrhea, and other bowel issues. With the occult blood test cat litter, it can even detect blood and urine, helping pre-screen for potential urinary diseases. In the event of abnormal behaviors, the PuroBot Ultra app enables early detection of potential health issues. By supplementing activity footage and poop images, it provides valuable diagnostic references for vets, ensuring your pets receive the best care possible. Empowered by AI, PuroBot Ultra creates a comprehensive database of feline health, including toilet visit habits, weight changes, and fecal health. This allows for tailored healthcare and abnormality pre-screening for each cat, giving you peace of mind. PuroBot Ultra auto-cleans after each toilet visit, ensuring a cleaner experience. Enjoy PetKit's touch-free system that auto-packs and seals trash bags. Just take out the trash and dispose of it. The new bag auto-loads itself. Plus, the extra-large 10L waste container supports up to 20 days of free scooping for one cat. Whether you have munchkin cats or large cat breeds, PuroBot Ultra accommodates cats of all sizes, making it the perfect addition to any cat-loving household. PuroBot Ultra is more than just a litter box. It's a complete feline health and wellness system. With its AI-powered features, real-time tracking, and seamless integration with other PetKit products, it's the ultimate solution for modern pet care. We're happy to introduce you to a game changer in the world of digital creativity. Meet the Wacom Move Ink, the ultimate OLED pen display designed for artists, designers, and creators on the go. Let's dive into the amazing features of this groundbreaking device. The Wacom Move Ink is your new creative companion, combining unparalleled performance and portability. Featuring a stunning 13.3 full HD OLED Samsung display, this super slim and ultra lightweight device is perfect for professionals and students alike. Experience the future of digital artistry with Wacom Move Ink's state-of-the-art OLED display. With deeper blacks, higher contrast, and vibrant colors, your creative work will look more immersive and precise than ever before. The Move Ink boasts DCI-P3 coverage of 100% and Adobe RGB at 95%, faithfully reproducing every hue with a spectrum of over 1.07 billion colors in stunning 10-bit depth. This means your artwork, videos, and designs will have true-to-life colors and incredible detail. Designed with portability in mind, the Movink features an ultralight magnesium alloy casing, making it thinner than any Wacom pen display before. Despite its lightweight design, it's incredibly sturdy, perfect for creatives on the move. With Corning Gorilla Glass, the Movink is built to last without compromising style or functionality. Enjoy creativity like never before with minimal parallax, ensuring your pen strokes are accurately translated onto the screen with unmatched precision. Say goodbye to distractions with the anti-glare glass and anti-fingerprint coating. These features allow you to focus solely on your creativity without any interruptions from glare or smudges. Wacom Movink is not just a pen display, it's a revolution in digital creativity. Whether you're an artist, game developer, videographer, photographer, or design student, the Movink offers everything you need to bring your creative visions to life. Let's unveil a groundbreaking innovation in the world of mixed reality, introducing the new generation Vario XR4 series. Let's dive into what makes these headsets the pinnacle of XR technology. The Vario XR4 series sets a new standard in mixed reality, combining the world's most advanced XR technology with unmatched graphical processing power. Designed for industrial use, these headsets offer the highest level visual fidelity ever seen. Experience crystal clear visuals with 4K by 4K mini LED displays and a 96% DCI-P 3-color space. The XR4 series features revolutionary full dome optics that provide flawless aspheric clarity across a massive 120 degrees x 105 degrees field of view, replicating true human vision. The Vario XR4 series boasts dual 20 megapixel cameras, delivering up to 51 ppd pass-through and introducing the world's first gaze-driven XR autofocus system. This advanced sensor fusion combines 300 kpx extended range LiDAR, 200 Hz eye tracking, and all new ambient light reconstruction cameras, offering an unprecedented level of immersion. Immerse yourself in a new dimension of XR experiences with an expanded field of view spanning 120 degrees to 105 degrees. This massive FOV breaks into the revered standard of full binocular vision, bringing a captivating new sense of depth to your mixed reality adventures. With 28 million pixels of pure visual fidelity, industrial-grade color accuracy, 200 nits of brightness, and local dimming for striking contrast, the Vario XR4 series has the highest resolution mixed reality displays ever made. These custom full dome aspheric lenses showcase the finest details with stunning clarity. Vario has perfected pass-through camera technology to behave like human eyes, seamlessly integrating the real world with virtual content. The XR4 series dual 20 megapixel front-mounted cameras offer ultra-low latency for the best mixed reality experience. The XR4 Focal Edition introduces the world's first gaze-driven autofocus camera system, reaching an unprecedented 51 ppd in pass-through. This means human vision is not just mimicked, it is replicated, bringing your XR experience to a whole new level. Say goodbye to the limitations of standalone headsets. The Vario XR4 series is not just a headset, it's a revolution in mixed reality. Whether you're in engineering, design, or any industrial field, these headsets offer the ultimate in visual fidelity and performance. Wherever you are, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting tech reviews. Click the link in the description to learn more. Please let me also know what was your favorite item from this list that you didn't hear before or surprised the most. See you next time, Tech Explorers.